Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily activate your Rakuten SIM card. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser, go to the official website. So you can type Rakuten Mobile, hit enter, click on this link that has the official logo, and then this will be the official website. This is what it looks like. Click on view online application guides. Then here, basically, they have already laid out everything for you from step one to step four. So we have prepare for application, which are the documents, choose your SIM types, in which you might need to do some research first, and then choose identity verification method, and finally, where you can apply and get everything done. So you can actually scroll down if you would like to see more information for each step. So for example, we have step number one. So click on it. Here we have switch from another carrier, get a new number, upgrade to a new model, or switch from Rakuten Mobile. So select whatever option you would like to uh, work on, then scroll down, you will see the option right over here. We have identity verification documents, M and P, your Rakuten member ID and password, and your bank information. So select whatever is favorable in your end. And once done, proceed with step number two. So here is your device compatible. This is actually very important. Here it's actually easy. So we already have lots of compatibility checker and very accurate. So click on it and you just most likely need to put your phone ID, IMED, and then also unlock your SIM card. So these processes only take a few minutes, and then you can now proceed to step number three. So you can now apply through your preferred method. So you can go in store, online, or over the phone. So mine, I would actually go with the online process first because that is actually the easiest and simple way we can get this done. And if it's not something you would do, if it's not available, proceed to the next step, phone, or the last resort would be to go to an online, or I mean is to go to a physical store. And then once you are done with this step number three, which is step number four, the complete, or where you will complete your initial setup and start using Rakuten services. And that's it. Everything in here can be done in one day, perhaps like in just less than an hour. That's it. Is how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.